Hello everyone, welcome to this series on Fools in the Plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Costard from his play Love's Labour's Lost. Introduction. Costard, a witty clown in William Shakespeare's comedy Love's Labour's Lost, serves as a source of humor and social commentary. Through his puns and wordplay, Costard highlights the folly and pretensions of the courtiers, adding a layer of satire to the play. This video explores the various dimensions of Costard's character, examining his interactions with other characters, his use of language, and the thematic significance of his role, supported by relevant quotes from the play. Role and function. Costard's primary function in the play is to provide comic relief while also serving as a vehicle for Shakespeare's satire. His clever wordplay and puns often expose the absurdities and affectations of the more noble characters, emphasizing the contrast between appearance and reality. In Act 1, Scene 1, Costard's witty response to Armado sets the tone for his character. "Let me not be pent up, sir. I will fast, being loose." This line showcases Costard's ability to play with language and turn a serious situation into a humorous one. Interactions with other characters. Costard interacts with various characters in the play, including the lords, the ladies, and other clowns. His interactions often serve to puncture the pretensions of the courtiers and bring them down to earth. For example, his exchanges with Armado, a boastful Spanish knight, highlight the latter's foolishness and self-importance. In Act 3, Scene 1, Costard humorously responds to Armado's grandiose speech. "By my troth, most pleasant, how both did fit it." Costard's reply underscores the ridiculousness of Armado's elaborate language and inflated self-image. Use of language. Costard's use of language is characterized by puns, malapropisms, and playful twists on words. His clever manipulation of language not only entertains the audience but also serves as a critique of the verbose and often meaningless rhetoric of the courtiers. In Act 5, Scene 2, Costard makes a pun while speaking with the princess. "Oh, they have lived long on the alms basket of words. I marvel thy master hath not eaten thee for a word, for thou art not so long by the head as honri ficabilitude nitatibus. Thou art easier swallowed than a flapdragon." This line illustrates Costard's knack of wordplay and his ability to use humor to comment on the pretentious language of the courtiers. Satirical commentary. Through his wit and humor, Costard provides satirical commentary on the behavior and attitudes of the nobility. His earthy common sense and straightforward speech contrast sharply with the affected and often insincere dialogue of the courtiers, highlighting their folly and pretensions. In Act 4, Scene 1, Costard cleverly reveals the absurdity of the courtiers' attempts at courtship. "The matter is to me, sir, as concerning Jaquenetta. The manner of it is, I was taken with the manner." This line plays on the dual meanings of matter and manner, poking fun at the convoluted and often nonsensical language used by the courtiers in their romantic pursuits. Thematic significance. Costard's character embodies themes of appearance versus reality and the folly of pretension. His presence in the play serves as a reminder of the value of simplicity and honesty, contrasting with the affected behaviors and language of the courtiers. Through Costard, Shakespeare critiques the superficiality of social conventions and the emptiness of elaborate rhetoric. In Act 5, Scene 2, Costard's plain-speaking nature highlights the theme of honesty. God dig you den all, praise you, which is the head lady? This direct straightforward question stands in stark contrast to the elaborate and often misleading language used by the other characters. Conclusion: Costard in Love's Labour's Lost is a witty clown whose puns and wordplay serve to highlight the folly and pretensions of the courtiers. Through his interactions and use of language, Costard provides comic relief while also offering satirical commentary on the behaviors and attitudes of the nobility. His character embodies themes of appearance versus reality and the value of simplicity and honesty. Costard's legacy as a source of humor and social critique continues to resonate, underscoring the enduring relevance of Shakespeare's exploration of human nature and social conventions. So this was the discussion on the character of Costard from Shakespeare's play Love's Labour's Lost. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.